Hi guys, night time. So today's video is going to be my nighttime skincare regime. This video has been requested by one of my sweetest YouTube friend, Manasa Hegre. Manasa, this video is only for you and for every one of you. I follow very simple skincare routine, so it will be very easy for you people to follow also. So without talking much, let's start doing it. Because I'm already very tired from the whole day. It was a really hectic day today. I'm a mom of a 5-year-old child, and you can understand totally a 5-year-old child is baby demon, right? So without wasting much time, let's show you how I do my simple, very simple nighttime. Yeah, I know I'm looking like Bandit Queen right now, isn't it? So first I'll be wiping off my makeups with this cleanser makeup remover. It's very good. Actually, it's very good. So let's start with it. I'll just I'll wipe my face with it and just see how much of makeup comes out from it. This has a really very soothing smell and it's really hydrating and moisturizing itself. It's very hydrating, trust me guys, it's very hydrating and very moisturizing. It doesn't harm your skin. It has very less quantity of alcohol, so you don't have to worry about your skin. I'm already done wiping my face. See how much makeup has come out in the wipe. It works. So for the next step, I'll be washing my face. I use the face wash Dharma Dew. It's sulfate free and it's from Hegre and Hegre Pharmaceuticals. Well, I got it from a local pharmacy. You can get it in any local pharmacy as I have very oily skin and very pimple prone skin. So I use this. This worked like magic for me. So let's wash it. I'll just take little quantity of it on my hand and I'll just massage it like this. Don't use water at first. Just massage the face wash like this. Yes, I even massage it on my lips. I don't usually use lip scrubber. See, you can see it has been already absorbed in my skin and now wash time. So the Bandit Queen has already washed her face. I have a cute red towel and I'll pat my face dry with it. Like this. Never rub your face like this. Never rub your face like this. It just destroys the elastin of your face. Pat it like this and let it dry completely. I love this cute red towel of mine. Am I being cheesy? Let it be. Okay, so for the next step, what I do on my right time regime, I use this Sage Aerotherapy Mud Mask. It actually works it's a 3-in-1 mud mask. It has activated charcoal and tea tree. It's infused with tea tree and it actually helps removing your pimples and blemishes. I use it every alternate night. So today I'll be showing, because I have not used it last night, so today I'll be using it and I'll be showing it. So I have this cute little brush for putting my face mask. I'll open it and I'll start applying. And you know, it doesn't take much time to dry up also. It takes hardly 5 minutes. And this mask from Sage Aerotherapy, it strictly said don't put it on your face than more than 5 minutes. I have almost finished the bottle. It's my third bottle. I got this from smitten.com. Bandit Queen skin routine, Bandit Queen skin routine. I think I should have sat with a gun, no? So I would have looked totally like a Bandit Queen. And camouflagic army night dress, a bandit, and I need a gun. Am I blabbering too much? Let me blabber my channel. I hope you guys like me. And I know some of you dislike me too. But please don't dislike me. I'm a nice girl. Like me. So I'll put it over here also. Never put a mask or any face pack with your hands, because the germs that you have in your hands, it gets into your face. Always use a clean face mask brush. A little tips. ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ. My T-zone is very, very oily. My whole face is oily actually. Actually, sometime I can suggest you, if you're running out of your cooking oil, you can come to me in the morning time and you can collect the oil from my face and you can use it for cooking. I use it seriously. Joking, girl. Let me tell you one thing, daily twice skincare regimen is very important for your skin. Why we eat food? We eat food to keep ourselves healthy. Healthy food keeps our skin also healthy, but it also needs extra nourishment, especially when you're above 25. It does need. Especially oily women like me. We have to like, oh my god, see, it's already started drying up, see? Now by seeing myself only I can sing a song. भूत हूँ मैं, भूत हूँ मैं, भूत हूँ मैं, घबरा न जाना. Another song is there. My son's favorite song, I don't know how it is. It's like that. It's from Ragini MMS 2. तू सो जा मेरे चंदा रात आ गई, तू सो जा वरना टायन काट खाएगी, तू सो जा, तू सो जा, तू सो जा मेरे लाल, वरना बूढ़ी बरकत का अजगर निकल जाएगा. तू सो जा मेरे चंदा रात आ गई. Okay, now let's wait for it to dry. As you can see, it has already dried up. I just can't let you guys wait for 5 minutes to see it dry. So it has dried up. So I'm again using a cleansing wipe to clean it off. See, it comes out so easily. This is also from Cleanza. Cleanza's cleansing wipes are paraben free and they are really good. They are very moisturizing, hydrating, and they are really good for your skin. You can use water also, but I prefer wiping masks with wipe It doesn't leave any residue, and plus you get the moisturization. The smell is heaven. Seriously, the smell is heaven. I love the smell of this one. So after this one, I will be doing my toning part. So here I am using the toner from Biotic. It's Bio Honey Water Toner. It's from Biotic. I got it from Nykaa, Bio Honey Water Toner. So what I'll be doing, I'll take a little bit of cotton and pour it. One trick I'll tell you about using toners. You all know how to use toners. I'm no one to give you new advice about this, but for this one, if you have open pores, because oily beauties generally have open pores, so you especially dab the toner on that place first, on your whole face actually. Now with slow hands, I use toner on my upper lip also and down my under eye and on my neck. In my last video, somebody said I have very ugly neck, but I love my neck, seriously. You can body shame me, but I love myself. And everybody, every girl should love herself. What people say, let them say. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. सुनो मत यार, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. One thing I'll show you now, what the toner, particularly this Biotic toner does. That is, even after you have washed, masked your face, everything, the little residues of dirt that is left on your face, it takes out everything. See. Now my face is clean. Seriously, now my face is clean. Now my hand is clean. I'll use my white to clean my hand, and I'll just tap. Let it absorb before proceeding to the next step. Yeah, so the final step, the retinol serum. I use this retinol serum. It is from the Body Avenue. The retinol serum from the Body Avenue. It's heaven. It's wonderful. It's enriched with glutathione and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid gives your face the beautiful hydration and plumpiness. It doesn't sag your skin. Glutathione specifically, actually, it removes your blemishes, and retinol, we all know, it doesn't let you age. So what I'll do, I'll shake it a bit. It has a dropper. Okay, before that, let me tell you, it's priced 1299 and I got it from Amazon.com. You'll get it easily on Amazon.com. So I'll take it. I'll put it on my hand. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 drop, 5 drop. A 5 drop makes a pea-size amount, and I'll warm it up on my hands. And then I'll put it on my face. and neck. One good thing about this retinol serum is, this Body Venue retinol serum is, you don't have to use any under eye cream. It acts itself as a very good under eye cream and it absorbs very fast. It's non-sticky, it's perfect, it's beautiful, and it has a no smell that makes me feel very good, because I generally don't like products which has very high smell. See, it already absorbed my skin. You can see. So this was all my nighttime routine skincare regimen, and it's very simple, it's very easy. It's especially for oily skin girls, oily skin women. Manasa, I hope I fulfilled what you wanted to see. And if you like my channel, so please subscribe Dhyani Rani, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any more updates. Till then, good night.